everyone! Today, we're going to talk about three important math concepts. We have mean, median, and mode. I'll explain everything in a very simple and easy way. So let's go! Let's start with the mean. Mean is just another word for average. So let's have an example. Find the mean of the final grades of 12 students in math. We have 85, 90, 75, 88, 92, 85, 78, 80, 85, 89, 95, and 87. We have the first solution, add all the numbers. So we're going to add 85 plus 90 plus 75 plus 88 plus 92 plus 85 plus 78 plus 80 plus 85 plus 89 plus 95 plus 87. The answer is 1029. Now let's have the second step. Divide the total by how many numbers there are. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 numbers. Therefore, we divide it by 12. So 1029 divided by 12, the answer is 85.75. Therefore, the mean is 85.75. And now let's have the median. Median is the middle number when the numbers are arranged in order. Okay, in this example, we have the solution. First is to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Therefore, we have 75, 78, 80, 85, 85, 85, 87, 88, 89, 90, 92, 95. And then the next step is to find the number in the middle. To find the number in the middle, let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 grades, which is even number. So get the average of the 6th and 7th. Okay, so we're going to get the average of 6th and 7th numbers, which is 85 and 87. Okay, we have the 6th and 7th numbers. We have 85 and 87. Okay, to get the median, we're going to add the two numbers, which is 85 plus 87, and then divide it by 2. Then 85 plus 87 equals 172 divided by 2. 172 divided by 2, the answer is 86. Therefore, the median is 86. Again, if there are two numbers in the middle, just get the average of those two. Okay, we have another example. In this example, we're going to find the median of the final grades of 9 students in math. So we have 9 numbers, 85, 90, 75, 88, 92, 85, 78, 80, and 85. And we have for the solution, again, arrange the numbers in ascending order. So we have now 75, 78, 80, 85, 85, 85, 87, 88, 89. And then the next step is to find the number in the middle. Okay, to find the number in the middle, let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 numbers, or which is odd number. So the median is the middle number. So the middle value or the middle number is 85. Therefore, our median is 85. Next, let's have the mode. Mode is the number that appears the most. In this example, we're going to look for the grade that appears most often. So we have the number 85. We have 1, 2, 3. So 85 appears 3 times. Therefore, our mode is 85. So let's have another situation. If no number repeats, there is no mode. If 2 or more numbers appear the most, it can have multiple modes. If no number repeats, there's no mode. Example, 85, 90, 75, 88, 92. Since there is no repeated numbers, therefore, there is no mode. Next situation, if 2 or more numbers appear the most, it can have multiple modes. Okay, we have 85, 90, 85, 75, 88, 90, 92. Okay, so let's observe that 85 appears 2 times and also 90 appears 2 times. It means we have 2 modes. We have 85 and 90. Okay, now let's summarize. Mean is the average, median is the middle number, and mode is the most frequent number. These three are all called measures of central tendency, and they help us understand data better. And that's it. Now you know how to find the mean, median, and mode easily. And that's all for now, and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.